Hey guys, what's happening? What's happening? It's your boy DC Gaming. It's a Monday, guys, so we are in here. We want to just go in and get something done. So, welcome to my channel, guys. And I hope that you guys going to support the channel. I hope that you guys going to be showing some love to the channel. And we're trying our best, you know what I'm saying, just to have something going on so you guys can enjoy watching it and have a good time, you know what I'm saying, have fun and stuff like that. So today, Mr. Franklin is going to work. It's a Monday, and we got a lot going on, and we got a lot to get into. So we're trying, you know what I'm saying, we're trying to be on top of everything. So the best thing for you guys to do for me is just to support me, you know, just a little. It doesn't have to be too much, just support. You know what I'm saying? By liking the video, sharing the video, and commenting and everything. Say whatever you want to say. You know what I'm saying? So, what I'm doing in here, if you have ideas and you want to see something better, you want to see things that, could be fun to you, I have no problem. Even that I don't have a big game, but I will do my best. You know what I'm saying? I will do my best just to please my followers, please my subscribers, my people. All right, so let's go in. Yeah. So today, the first thing we're gonna have to do today is nothing but we have this car. We just have this car. It's a new STO. Then it's new for us. Yeah. So then the first thing we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to insure the car. Yeah, we're gonna have to insure the car. And the second thing we are going to do, we are gonna make sure that we purchase a business. There's a business venture that's out for sale, so we are going to purchase it. And after that, we're going to do just a little. It's a Monday. It's busy out there. We're going to do just a little tow truck job. You know what I'm saying? So, and I hope that you guys gonna enjoy it and stick around with me. You know what I'm saying? Just show some love, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's go. Yes, this is it. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, not bad at all. It looks awesome. Yeah. So you guys gonna be enjoying, driving with me. So let's go. We go into the insurance place. All right, let's go. Yeah, we go in there so that we can insure the car. I have, I mean, I have a few of the cars that need to be insured, but because this is the one that we're driving today, and you know what I'm saying, we want just to make sure anything can happen to the car and the car can be replaced. You know what I'm saying? So we don't want to be doing things in vain, if you understand what I'm saying. So, oh, the cops. Oh no, it's 50. Okay, I wasn't even doing 50. All right. So how you guys doing out there? And all I'm trying to do is just, put some fun out there. Yeah, it's a Monday, so I know a lot of you guys be working and stuff and school and everything. You guys that have their own business, you know what I'm saying? It's a it's a new week and new chapter. You know what I'm saying? A different hustle. So yes, so let's go. I believe yeah, we gotta go this way. Uh-oh. All right, let's go. We gotta go on the other side actually. Yeah. Nice. Nice Phantom. We gotta make a U-turn here. All right, so this is the first thing that we want to do is to make sure that we insure the car. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Hi, we doing okay? Yourself? They say it's 15,000, almost like 16. Jeez, that's a lot of money. All right, then, so let's go. All right, the car is insured right now. I just did. All right, thank you. All right, so now the car is insured now, so we can drive the car with a peaceful mind, if you know what I'm saying. So, and yeah, so we got that going on. We got that out of the way, and well, you know what? All right, so let's go. Let's go, just in case it doesn't really show up on the screen, but just in case we want to have food. Let's go down here. All right. Thank you. I just want to make sure we like our cars. All right, so try to eat something in here. Yeah. All right. So there you go. So we full with basically full. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. So we definitely full. Yeah. So now we go into the business that we are going to purchase. I know it's always like a big decision, you know, when you have to invest your money in something, and especially if you were not in the field, but it just, you maybe find out that, you know, you can make good money out of it. So you're taking a risk, because everything that you do in life, it's like taking a risk, you know what I'm saying? We all doing that every single day. And people that don't really take risk, you don't go anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So life has its own value. So it's up to you to know what you want to do yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you to know what you want to do for yourself. Let me just go. Because whatever you do, whatever you decide to do in life, you need to understand that somebody else may be thinking about doing the same thing. It's up to you if you want to risk it. If you want to be in the middle of everything, you know what I'm saying? We're like in the middle, like everyone that's doing something good, you want to be doing something good too. You got to make a decision today. Don't be scared. Other people are doing it. Okay, you still can have your way. You know, you still can have your way by trying. All right, so we gotta go this way and turn. It's basically like two businesses, though, actually. All right, so yes, so this is the first one. This is the first one, so we are going to purchase. All right, so this place is for sale, and we're going to purchase it. Okay. All right, so the price is 400. It's a full $83,000, $862, and daily income is like five 5,200 like every day. But when you multiply that like by 12, I mean, it's like for the year, you know what I'm saying? So by 365, I believe, and you know exactly if the money that you invest in, if it's gonna be back to your pocket or to your account, whatever. So it's always like taking a risk, whatever you do in life. But some of the stuff are really good risk taking. All right, so yeah, let's call them. All right, so now if we're selling it, we're just gonna lose money. We don't want that. All right, so we got the first one, and I believe we need a second one. It's the second one is all the way up in Vinewood. Not in Vinewood Hill, but it's like in Vinewood City actually. So we are going to purchase that too. It's a nightclub. Oh no, I was trying not to. Unfortunately, it happens. Let's go. Is he coming? Yeah, it's coming. He's coming. Almost. All right, so we're going to purchase a business so we can have something going on. You know what I'm saying? So beside working, you know what I'm saying? Beside going to work like every day, we just want to have some businesses. You know what I'm saying? It's making money for us. I don't think I'm in the right directions. Oh my God. Yeah, this is the one though. This is the one. Uh-uh. This is the one. So let me lock it. Yeah. We gonna try to purchase this one too. All right. So this one is 1.5, and the income is 15,000 daily. It's like every single day. All right. So that's very interesting. You just go and do it. We're gonna be calling them. All right. So now, beside being beside working hard every day, so now we own businesses now. Yeah. So we just purchased like two businesses now. All right. So now it's time for us just to go for the tow job. Yeah. So we're gonna be working now for a few hours. Who do you think? Who do you think have money and and saying that they don't want any more because they have enough? I've never heard of such thing. People that have money say, "Oh, listen, I have enough money. So I don't want any. Now, they always want more. So people are still gonna be thirsty for things, for money, for material stuff. But it's up to you now. It's up to yourself to know who you want to be. Do you want to be the one that giving money away to other people just so they can be talking about? I mean, talking about getting money, talking about being rich. Or you want to be the one to make money too? It's up to you. All right, I'm not sure where I'm going right now, but I just let's go. So we're going for the tow truck. The funniest thing, guys, just like we uh we are that far in the game, but we don't own the tow truck company yet. We're not there yet. See, yeah, this is not where it is. All right, so. Oh no, come on. You damaged my car. So I'm not gonna be stopping for you, man. Alright, okay. I think it's gonna be this way. Why you just don't leave me alone for once? He doesn't do that. Alright, so this car is too low. It's not gonna be parking here, so we're gonna have to park the car here. You just get out the car. Yeah. That's what you get for messing with me. Alright, so this is it. We're here. Mm. So we get in the truck and start working. That's a big truck. I'm gonna have to remember not to take a call from the other guy. Oh, I'm sure because we don't own the company yet. I don't think he's gonna be able to call us or for anything. I mean, you need to watch out. All right. I hope that you guys gonna enjoy watching this. It does merge here. Are you not turning? No. Okay. You see the inside. Okay. All right. Let's go. It's weird, but let's. What else we can do? Okay. The one thing I'm gonna tell you guys is like, don't hate on people, because hate is too strong. Don't hate on people. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just let everyone just do what they want to do, what they feel comfortable with, as long as they don't harm you. You know what I'm saying? So don't hate on them. No. Just be yourself. You know what I'm saying? Invest your time, invest your feeling, your emotion to yourself. Because hating on people, it's not gonna help you. Yeah. So be yourself. You know, just let everyone do. You know what I'm saying? Play their part, because we all have a mission in this life. At the end of everything, what you did, I'm not gonna pay for it. You're gonna pay for it. So it's like, why wasting the time when you know everyone has their own bargain to live for? You know what I'm saying? So which one is it? Is it the? Oh, okay. I almost think it was the. I gotta wait for the driver. Homie, you. Why you that slow? Mm. Mm. He's gonna find a new lawyer. Whatever you got going on, homie, just do you. Huh. I'm just making my $2. Sometimes for some people, having a conversation and talking about stuff, it's good. And the same talking, some other people, stuff that you be talking to them too, can just put you in a really bad mood. You know? Yeah, I'm not the type of person to get angry at people, get mad at people just for nonsense and stuff. No, I usually just take my time and see who you are, what you do. You know what I'm saying? What's your background? And when it comes to like being personality wise, you know what I'm saying? So as long as I can see that you are a nonsense, so you were like nowhere going, I'm so just stop being around. Uh, it's tough when you're following the traffic in Los Santos. It's crazy. I don't waste my time on criticize people, talking bad on them. So it's kind of waste of time. You know what I'm saying? So who wants to do that? Because we all have, you know what I'm saying? We all have something to worry about. You know what I'm saying? We all have something to worry about. No matter where you're from, complexion, whatever. We all have something to worry about. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. I break, but it's still happening. You guys know we're still gonna have that going on in here. You know, crash and stuff like that. So happening in real life. Oh, I'm not gonna tell people that. Yeah, I lived in the city for for a couple of years in New York City. You know, I've learned exactly how to move the car in a very tiny place, park the car, and do stuff. Because living in New York is, yeah, I lived in Brooklyn for a couple of years, but I'm not from Brooklyn. No, I lived in Brooklyn, yeah, for a couple of years. And I used to live in a very dangerous area in Brooklyn, actually. I used to live between Ralph and Farragut, I believe. Ralph and Farragut, yes. That's where I used to live I used to live in Brooklyn. It was it was very dangerous. Okay, man. Okay, I'll stop for you. What do you want? What do you want, officer? 40, that's your name? That's your voice, I believe? It's $450. That's a lot. I just got a I just got a traffic ticket for running the red light, but I'm doing it again. Oh, going on the highway? Okay. A car broke down. Okay, I see it. Broke down on the highway. It's dangerous what I just did. What? What is he talking about? For some reason, I can't even see. Oh, the car is shaking. What is that? The car was like dancing. Move away, homie. Move away. You too, officer. Move away. Oh, why are people like be on the streets? Come on. Okay. I gotta slow down. Here's another one. Competition. Yeah, can't see that. He said messed up. Oh no. What? What is he going? I'm sorry, man. I didn't know you have cops on. Another job, yeah. All right. So let's go for another one. It's not too far. Sorry, officer. Am I going in the hood this time? All right, so let's get out. Oh. Is it the same car that usually on the train track or something like that. Oh, that's the one. We have to wait for the driver. What? What? Where you going, homie? Don't you see me? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Alright, so let me just go, like, let me just go slow. Wow. Why you wait that long before you turn? I don't want no damage it cost him this car. But it's like it's not totally under my control. See? I didn't really do anything. Oh no. Come on. Stop bugging. You know what? I'm gonna do it just like that. The same way I got out earlier. Alright. So we done. 450 bucks. That's the money that we made for the jobs. Yep. It's not a lot, but it's something, you know. It's funny driving a Lambo and be working for 460 bucks. Yeah, and I've seen guys that be driving the Lambo to do the Uber. It's less than what I just did. All right. So here we go. It's not fun driving first person with this car. All right. So that's it for this one, guys. So see you guys next time for another episode.